This is Gagajoy again, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making apple brown Betty. This is a dessert that my mother made, and it means a whole lot to me. She learned it from her mother, who had a cafeteria back in the 1920s, and apples and black walnuts and things like that were a good thing for her to cook because they were cheap and everybody loved them. All of the recipes that I fix they're quick, they're easy and delicious, mostly delicious. I've already peeled 3 apples and I'm getting ready to peel the 4th one. I'm using Granny Smith apples today, but you can use any kind of apple that you like. Golden Delicious are a wonderful apple to use. I think everybody likes apples. I've never known anybody that didn't like some sort of apple. I'm cutting up the 4th apple now. The next thing I do is I add a cup of apple juice. Now, if you don't have apple juice, just go ahead and use a cup of water. This is just something that I usually do. And to that, a tablespoon packed down of brown sugar, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it up and sort of mix the spices. Now, if you get it mixed up pretty good, add 2 tablespoons of butter. So we'll let that go ahead and start heating while we make the topping. Now, this is 3 slices of bread. My mother at this point would probably use biscuits or from maybe the day before. She always used leftover bread. Again, we use brown sugar, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, and I have to warm this. And just the melted butter. It's another 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Also preheat your oven to 350 while you're doing this. Actually, when you're making your topping, I like the bread. Like I said, my mother probably would have used morning biscuits. But you can actually, and I don't think panko would work here. So we need to sort of stick with the biscuits or the bread. And check on the apples. They begin to warm up pretty good. Melt the butter good. Now, when you get it mixed up pretty good, this is 2 tablespoons of nuts. I'd sort of toast them on the a little bit, maybe a minute. Just keep stirring them. Add that to the topping. You can use any nut you like. I just happen to have black walnuts, as we were talking about, and so I thought I'd use them and stay like my mother's original recipe of black walnuts. Okay, I think our butter is melted and everything is sort of melted together. I can already smell this, and believe me, it smells delicious. Now just start dropping the topping over your apples. Like I said, you just pick the apples you like the best. I had the Granny Smith on hand, so I went with that today. Plus, I just love Granny Smith apples. I like that little tart taste they have. A lot of people like the Golden Delicious to make this with. That would be more of my sister. She would love the Golden Delicious. You see the topping just about perfect for this, just the 4 apples. So my mother would have made a whole brand pet of this, like, because we loved it so much. Okay, we'll add it to the oven, 350, for about 25 or 30 minutes. Well, it's time to take the brown bag out of the oven. You should be in my kitchen right now. This whole house smells so good. Got a good piece right here. And of course, we have to have ice cream. I'm gonna give the first piece to my daughter.
All right, we'll definitely do that. I feel special today. Oh my goodness. It is a childhood dream. Tastes delicious, smells delicious. I
hope you enjoyed our apple brown Betty today. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll answer them when I can. And would you do me another favor and go down and like our program today, comment about it, share it, and subscribe. And remember, we can bring joy to someone's life every day. Remember the joy. See you soon.